so we back again with another video. I said back again with another video. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all all the products I use, and I forgot to physically show y'all Shining Jam, so that's why I just put it on the screen like right now. And like y'all, look at my mom's hair. It has grown so much. She was proud of her little girl, like, because if y'all know, like, we did the big chop on her hair in like the summer, like maybe like June or July. I think it was maybe like May or something, I don't know, but you can go watch that on my YouTube channel. I'll put it in the eye above or whatever. But yeah, and so right now we're doing Pop Smoke Knotless, but with a side part. Like these braids, they don't really have a name necessarily, but I've seen people call them Pop Smoke Knotless. I can't even talk, y'all. Pop Smoke Knotless, so that's what I'm gonna call mine, I guess, if y'all see it in the title. But so she blow dry her hair, and then I put some leave-in conditioner on it. Most of these are like kind of like the same products that I usually use, but I kind of just altered some or whatever, but they're basically the same products because I had tried some other products too. But yeah, so yeah, I'm basically doing the same process as I did in my feed-in braid tutorial when I did it on my sister when I did the 6 feet in. So I'll link that up above too if you want me to go more in depth, because I only showed y'all like maybe like 3 braids that I did, and you couldn't really like see that good because my head kept getting in the way. So like most of the footage was like my twist, so I had to edit all of that out. But you know, I just put Shining Jam on the parts to define the parts or whatever. And then really she wanted like a side part, so that's why we did a side part. She didn't want like a middle part. So, and I don't think anybody has did a side part yet, so I guess so that's why like the parting was kind of weird for me at first. Like I was like, girl, like, am I doing this right? But then like once we got to the final product, I was like, okay, all right. But yeah, so it turned out really cute, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. You could just see what I'm doing. I'm just like putting Shining Jam on it, putting Shining Jam on it just so that I won't have to straighten her hair or anything, just to get the stitch look or whatever. But the more I practice, the more I'll get better. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just doing her edges. Y'all probably seen earlier in the video some different edge control. It was the Braid Barbie drip. So like if you know Braid Barbie, like she's a like pretty like famous braider, I guess, and she has like a line or whatever. So I had got that for Christmas, so I was like, why not just use it or whatever. And I really like using that edge control on her hair, and I really like Shears Bomb too, but I just use both because yeah, I have both, and they're both really good edge controls. But please do not be asking me what's her Instagram, baby. Just look up Braid Barbie, please, baby, please. But yeah, so this is the braid down. Okay, and y'all, I don't know why she was looking like that. But yeah, I'm putting the Tropical Roots. Oh yeah, this is another different product that y'all haven't seen yet, but it's basically like specifically for braids, twists, and locks or whatever. So like opposed to the Foaming Mousse that I usually use, the Lotta Body, that's a wrap me setting Foaming Mousse. Like they're both can be used for the same thing, but this Foaming Mousse is specifically for wraps. I mean for braids and stuff. And you can see right here I'm just dipping her hair or whatever. So with hot water, like like people usually have like a towel like on them too, but I have a way to where I can like get it to where it won't burn them. That's why I don't use like 2 towels, because also saving towels, because girl. But yeah, and then you see I'm blow drying her hair, and I'm about to show y'all the final product. And so it's getting towards the end of the video. So bye bees, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to this channel, my name is Angelina. So hello, click subscribe button down below so you can be like me. This is the final product. So let me know what you guys think, how it turned out or whatever. And I love you guys so much. Bye, beauties.